go around and say their names and
Does anyone have a name on it?
do a little roll call.
Josiah.
What?
Well, Mike.
Sarah. Amanda.
Taylor.
Brittany.
Sylvia.
Emma.
And Hank.
So I have to do an informative speech, and I decided to do one on this TED Talk, and it's talking about if we can take stop using medicine and start using cells. So the thesis is that if we can prove that this new approach to curing disease works with cells instead of types of drugs, then we can start to broaden our horizons on other types of things we want to cure. So Siddhartha Majurki is this doctor, and he and his partner started theorizing about ways that we can start taking stem cells and we can use them as a type of medicine. So what if I told you there could be a way we could use your own cells instead of taking drugs or pills? Would you believe me if I told you there was a way? Would it amaze you that such a thing has the possibility to be true? Imagine how many cures could have potential to work with this new innovative science. So you ask the question, what number or fraction reactions can actually be targeted by the entire pharmacopoeia of all medicinal chemistry? That number is 250. In other words, 0.025% of all chemical reactions in your body are actually targetable by this lock and key mechanism. It's like all of our pharmaceutical chemistry is a pull operator in Wichita, Kansas, who is tinkering with about 10 or 15 telephone lines. This could change the world of medicine and the potential for answers to illnesses and disease you could always have wondered about. We could cure cancer, we could cure depression. That's the key. Perhaps we could try to reframe our thinking about medicine. So they came up with two hypotheses. Number one was there's such thing as skeletal stem cell, a skeletal stem cell that builds up the entire vertebrate skeletal, bone, cartilage, and fibrous elements of skeleton, just like there's stem cells in our blood, just like there's stem cells in our nervous system. And then hypothesis two was that maybe the degeneration or dysfunction of this stem cell is what's causing osteochondral arthritis, which is a common ailment. So they were studying arthritis and how we can cure it. We have medicines and we have drug therapies, but what if we took our own stem cells, which we have in our body everywhere? Our whole entire body is made of stem cells. And what if we took these stem cells and we made them repair our own body? So they thought that they were looking for a pill, but actually they were looking for a cell. They are now thinking of arthritis in terms of cellular disease. You can grow these cells outside of your body, which we didn't know. So you can take stem cells, say, from your bone marrow, and you can grow them in a petri dish until they're ready, and then you can reimplant them in somewhere that is damaged or injured, and the stem cells will change and alter, and they will start working as whatever stem cells you need them to work as. They start to conform to our body's healing. So our own cells can be our cure. So the struggle with this type of innovative medicine is because stem cell therapy is so controversial but highly effective. So we have many, many arguments in today's world about if we should use our own cells to cure our body, because is that right? Is that morally and ethically right? So this new technology, Dr. William Falloon is studying stem cell medicine in terms of embryonic stem cell research. So he takes embryonic stem cells, so from embryos, and he's using them to try to repair other things. But there's also controversial discussions behind this, because is it right to take embryonic stem cells and use them for other purposes? California Institute of Regenerative Medicine is also studying stem cell research in mass quantity and will be the first lab to successfully mass grow stem cells. A student from Harvard Medical School is studying the homeostasis of organs in the human body and using stem cells to trigger our bodies to reactivate our healing responses and using our own stem cells to repair our bodies in the injured areas. The stem cells are something we already have. Like I said, we have them in all parts of our body, but we are now using them to heal ourselves, and that is our main goal. So we can potentially take stem cells from one region of our body and start acting as another type of stem cells. So this could be the future of our medicine. We just need more research behind it because it's such a new type of medicine. And so hopefully someday we'll see, instead of using medication or therapies, we'll have stem cells that will be healing our bodies. Thank you.